Good day everyone. We are the first 5 presenter and we are going to discuss about fiber in clothing. First, let me present to you the presenter with their assigned topics. First, we have define fiber. It will be discussed on me. And second, we have the sources and its classification to be discussed by Mr. Jetli Alcover. Then third, we have the principal origin of fiber to be discussed by Mr. BACALSO Fernando. And the fourth one is types of fabric, which to be discussed by Sir Isara El Kanke. And the last one is uses and care of fabrics to be discussed by Miss Generale Antoinette. So now, let's begin with the question, what is fiber? Fiber is a long and thin strand or thread of materials that can be knit or woven into a fabric. They not only create a fabric, but they also influence end product, clothing aesthetics, durability, comfort, appearance, retention, care, environmental impact, and cost. From this, we could say that a fabric is the product or the results made from the fiber. Because when we say fabric, these are the clothing material which are made by wearing or knitting threads obtained from the yarns. And also, the characteristics of a fabric depends upon the type of fiber used and the treatment applied to them. One of its examples of the different types of fabrics are the cotton, the rayon, the linen, the satin, and the denim. So, we all know that clothing is one of the three basic needs of human aside from the food and shelter. So, even the early life of men before, they used leaves or skin of animals just to cover their body. But as time goes by, the fibers were extracted from plants and animals to manufacture clothes that we are wearing today. So just like in the definition, fiber can define as extremely thin long thread of a natural or artificial substance used to make clothes by turning into yarns. So uh, for further discussion about fibers in clothing, let's move on to its sources and its classification to be discussed by Mr. Alcover Jetli.
Sources and its classification. First is natural fiber. Natural fibers are those that occur in fiber form in nature. Traditionally, natural fiber sources are broken down into animal, plant, or mineral. Fibers from plant or vegetable source are more properly referred to as cellulose-based and can be further classified by plant source. They may be separated from the plant, stalk, stem, leaf, or seed. Fiber from animal sources are more properly known as protein-based fibers. They are harvested from an animal or removed from a cocoon or web. Mineral fibers are those that are made from the earth. Except for silk, all natural cellulose and protein-based fibers are obtained in a short length and are called staple fibers. Silk is a continuous filament fiber. Man-made fibers. Man-made fibers such as nylon, polyester, and rayon are produced by chemical reaction controlled by people rather than occurring naturally. The term synthetic fiber is often used to designate man-made fibers. However, to many people, this term has a negative connotation, meaning inauthentic, artificial, or fake. So next, to continue the discussion, the next topic will be discussed by Fernando.
Principal origin of fiber. Animals. Wool. It refers to the hair of domestic sheep or goat, which is distinguished from the other type of animal hair in that the individual strands are coated with scales and tightly crimped, and the wool as a whole is coated with a wax mixture known as lanolin. Silk is an animal textile made from the fibers of cocoon of the Chinese silkworm, which is spun into a smooth fabric prized for its softness. There are two main types of silk: mulberry silk, which is produced by Bombyx mori. Plants and animals. Straw and bamboo are both used to make hats. Straw are dried from a grass is also used for stuffing, as is kapok. Asbestos and basalt fiber are used for vinyl tiles, sheeting and adhesives, transits, panel and siding, acoustical ceilings, stage curtains, and fire blankets. Synthetic. Polyester fiber is used in all types of clothing, either alone or blended with fibers such as cotton. Aramid fiber, or tuaron, is used for flame retardant clothing, cut protection, and armor. Acrylic is a fiber used to imitate wool, including cashmere, and is often used in replacement of them. Nylon is a fiber used to imitate silk. It is used in the production of pantyhose. Thicker nylon fibers are used in rope and outer clothing. Spandex, or trade name lycra, is a polyurethane product that can be made tight-fitting without impeding movement. It is used to make activewear, bras, and swimsuits. Olefin fiber is a fiber used in activewear, linings, and warm clothing. Olefins are hydrophobic, allowing them to dry quickly. As in, third felt of olefin fibers is also sold under the trade name of Tyvek. Engeo is a polylactide fiber blended with other fibers such as cotton and used in clothing. It is more hydrophilic than most other synthetics, allowing it to wick away perspiration. That's all. Welcome, Israel Kanki. Next.